Hey guys, it's Mr. Goliath and we're taking a look at Pick 6. So you're finding 6 pictures that help us better understand you. Think of what matters to you most and the things that bring you joy today. This is right now, the things that you like to do, things that will help us understand you today. So you're going to do searches, and as you're searching for your images, notice I use the tools here, and I went into right here, and I clicked labeled for reuse. Okay, so this means that we're able to use these right now for our projects, and that's what we're looking for. So I just put in jogging because I really like exercise. So one of my pictures was right here for exercise. I did playgrounds because we spend a ton of time right now. I love taking my kids there. I love doing family walks with them. My faith is super important, brings me joy. This one is in shark diving, which I've actually done, is something, any adrenaline type activities I love. And then this is an old school picture. They're actually watching sports. That's what that's supposed to be with the TV. So, you know, with 2 little ones, I'm at home quite a bit. So I do enjoy watching things with them. Sports is what I enjoy watching, but you know, we'll watch some Daniel Tiger and, oh goodness, VeggieTales and all kinds of weird stuff that we enjoy watching in my house. So that gives you a better idea of who I am in just 6 pictures. I'm looking to get a better idea of who you are. So your blank slide that we already set up, you'll notice we had our passion project, right? And then our blank slide, this is where you're going to add your 6 picks that we're going to be able to get to know you much better. So you can go ahead and get started now. Good luck.